On June 27, 2025, in Washington, D.C., the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, and Rwanda formally signed a U.S.-brokered peace agreement known as the Washington Accord to end years of violence in eastern Congo. The deal mandates Rwanda's troops to withdraw from eastern DRC within 90 days, while Congolese government pledges to cease support for FDLR militia. Yet the heart of the matter lies in economics. The agreement injects a powerful twist: peace backed by critical minerals investment. On August 1, 2025, the U.S. State Department confirmed that Kigali and Kinshasa have agreed on a routine, or rather on an outline of a regional economic integration framework. The elements include coordination on energy and infrastructure projects, mineral supply chain transparency, national parks and tourism development, public health cooperation, with the key principles being both DRC and Rwanda to retain full sovereign control over resource exploitation, with an emphasis on domestic processing capacity, tackling long-standing concerns about mineral wealth plundering in eastern Congo. The agreement seeks to funnel billions in Western investment into a region rich in cobalt, copper, gold, lithium, tantalum, and more, vital minerals for the global energy transition. It also marks a major shift in U.S. strategy, linking security with the resources access as a counterbalance to growing Chinese influence in Africa. Specific economic projects were named as financing for Rusi's 3 hydropower, sustainable exploitation of Lake Kivu methane gas, infrastructure ties will connect to the U.S.-backed Lobito corridor, enhancing cross-border trade and logistics. The first Joint Oversight Committee met on August 1st, signaling early implementation steps. Even as some commitments remain unfulfilled, a joint security coordination mechanism was to confirm within 30 days. Sources say that meeting is scheduled for August 7th in Addis Ababa. Meanwhile, separate negotiations between the DRC and rebel group M23 hosted in Qatar aim to seal a full peace deal by August 18th. You just got the inside scoop on the most high-stake business peace deal in Central Africa, a corner turn for the region if implemented. What next? Will economic logic calm decades of war, or will vast institutions stall progress? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. We are not just telling stories, we are decoding power. GTN Africa, where peace meets business. I am your host, Haron Ototo Nyengere.